Today, I'm reviewing these budget earbuds by Nothing, the CMF Buds. So, they were released back in March of this year, and they are currently one of the most affordable Bluetooth earbuds by CMF. But are the CMF Buds worth buying, or are they just a watered-down version of the Buds Pro with no real value? Let's find out. The CMF Buds is available in 3 colors: dark grey, light grey and orange, although the light grey one looks like white. In the box, you get the earbuds, 2 extra pair of silicone ear tips and a user manual. There's no charging cable included in the box, but who needs that flimsy cable anyway? I mean, I always use my phone's cable for charging my earbuds. Let's take a look at the case first. It has a peculiar square-shaped design with rotating wheel at the corner, to which you can attach a lanyard. The case is made out of good quality plastic and the hinge feels solid. It has CMF branding on the top, an LED indicator light in the front, and a Type-C charging port alongside a physical pairing button on the right side. The earbuds are stem-shaped with a minimalistic and lightweight design, allowing for a comfortable in-ear fit. They offer a snug feel, making them suitable to be worn for long hours. You can see the CMF branding on the stem, and the circular area right here is touch sensitive, which is customizable by the way through the Nothing X app. As for the sound quality, it's pretty decent. You won't get the high-end audio experience you'd expect from premium earbuds, but for its price, these earbuds sound solid. The bass is good and so is the treble. Nothing is too overpowering, and you get a balanced audio experience with it. But if you prefer clear lows or higher trebles, then you can always use the equalizer to tweak the audio output as per your preference. There's also an ultra bass option in the app to boost the bass if you prefer a more powerful bass-rich audio. The CMF Buds have active noise cancellation for up to 42 decibels that eliminates background noise for a better audio experience. But eliminating all the noise in your background might not be safe when you're using your buds outside. So for that, you get transparency mode that allows you to be aware of the sounds in your surroundings while still cancelling them out. Basically, it blocks all the noise in your environment, then uses the microphone to capture them and channel them through the earbuds, so that you can hear the sound around you, but it is not inconveniently noisy. In my usage, I found that both the ANC and transparency modes work well enough not to be called a gimmick. The CMF Buds come equipped with Bluetooth version 5.3 for seamless connectivity. They also support Google Fast Pair technology and Microsoft Swift Pair for easy connectivity with Android and Windows devices. Not just that, these buds also support dual device connectivity, meaning that you can connect them to 2 devices at one time. The CMF Buds have 4 types of touch controls: double tap, triple tap, double tap and hold, and triple tap and hold. Using these controls, you can answer and end calls, play pause music, control the music playback, adjust the volume, activate the voice assistant, and even switch between different noise control settings. Coming to the calling quality, these buds have 4 HD microphones along with clear voice technology to isolate background noise. The buds also have 2 holes at the bottom of the stem to reduce wind noise and provide a better calling experience. In my testing, the calling experience was good. Even in heavy traffic conditions, these buds allowed me to have a conversation with minimal background noise. I'll definitely recommend these budget earbuds for calling. Apart from this, these earbuds also have some extra features, like in-ear detection, which pauses the music when I take off the buds and resume it when I put it back on. Find My Earbuds, which plays a sound from the earbuds using which you can locate them. I mean, it's not that loud, but since it has this feature, I had to mention it. It also has a low lag mode that minimizes latency, so you can have a better and more immersive gaming experience. And just so you know, these earbuds come with IP54 dust and water resistance rating, so they can handle a few sprinkles of water, but they should not be exposed to rain. As for the battery life, each of these buds has a 45 mAh battery that provides about 8 hours of non-stop music playback on a single charge. And with the case, you get about 35.5 hours of playback time, of course with ANC turned off. With ANC turned on, it lasts for about 24 hours with the case. But these stats are as per CMF claims. In my experience of mixed usage with calls, music, and volumes level set to 70%, I got around 7 hours of battery life. Now, coming back to the question, are the CMF Buds worth buying? Well, in my testing, I found that the CMF Buds offer great value for casual listeners or journal users. They offer good build quality, great sound, decent battery life, and tons of useful features that work as advertised. Yes, it has some shortcomings, like it doesn't have active noise cancellation or an ultra premium sound, but you really don't expect them from a budget earbud. So for what they are worth, the CMF Buds offer fantastic value for their price. If you're on a budget and don't need high-end features, then the CMF Buds by Nothing is a solid option to consider. That wraps up this one. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Gizmo Rush and hit the bell icon to get more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.